Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel, Super Linux. I know I'm not very well appearing because of the room that I'm recording in, but this is the best way I can record. Please, all what I'm gonna show you here is, as you can see next to me here, to the side of the other view here is seeing, this is the display of my phone being transferred to my computer through OBS. Now, and there's another program called the Screen Stream over HTTP, okay, which can transport the screen over the local area network, and OBS will be receiving it. So what I'm going to do here, or trying to show you here, how to display, this is the Nikon D800 DSLR camera. Okay, I have this camera, we're going to see it, okay, and I'm using the camera of my laptop. Okay, so here, in every camera, there's a display here in the back, LCD display in the back. So there's like an output for HDMI. So if you want, you can show what's going on the camera instead of using the LCD camera here, the small one. You can use the biggest display you would be thinking of. So here we're going to use this other display, which is the display of my telephone, which you're seeing yep. Okay, so you're seeing it here, okay, on the like this multicolor, the multicolor bars. Anyway, so now it's turned on. Okay, let me show you how it's connected. Okay, so here is my other camera, and here's my phone. Trying just to, so this is my phone. Okay, I know the camera here is not that good. This is a very old camera from the early 2000s. It needs some focusing. Anyway, so this is the camera. This is what you're seeing to the left of the video is the same screen of my phone. Okay, now here's the connection. Here's USB-C to USB-A or B, I don't know, the normal USB plug. Okay, and there's next to it an HDMI video capture. I'm trying to focus the so there's a video capture over here, okay, which will convert the HDMI into a USB camera. So this way the phone will be able to see or to read the HDMI output coming from my DSLR camera. Okay, so this is a Nikon camera, just for you to understand that this is actually a real DSLR camera. And it's written on it D800. I can't reach it, but it's written on it the D800. Okay, so yeah, so now I have to turn to the camera. Okay, and then there's a software you have to install on your phone, which is called USB camera. Okay, which can read the any kind of USB camera, maybe something like this one you wanna, or maybe a microscope camera or whatever, to your phone. Okay, now here I'm going to open the display here. Okay, so I'll have to click on a button called LV. So now you're seeing the change in the mobile phone screen. So I'm gonna with this telescope installed, I cannot focus on anything, like give you something bright to see, okay, something that's very clear. But with this, I'm trying just to show you that it connects. You can see, you can make a you make your phone a display, okay, for your camera. So, or even your tablet. Okay, need your tablet, no problem. So I'm gonna move the camera here to something that's bright. Okay, something like a lamp here in my room. Okay. This room is my veranda, so inside is my room. You're seeing two lamps here. Okay, that's what are they. So yeah, so if I just move my hand like this, okay, so yeah, okay, this is also, if you want to see it for real on the phone, okay, okay, yeah, I'm putting my hand, okay, like you've seen, yeah, it's changing, okay. So yeah, so yes, this is how you would, this is how it's possible to connect uh, your phone, and in order to make it a display for your uh, Nikon camera, okay, or Canon, whatever, as long as it connects and gives you a connection from HDMI. That's all you have to do, and don't forget to get the HDMI video capture. Okay, the conversions it depends. Okay, if you have USB-C or a micro C, it doesn't matter. It's all good. Okay, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like watching.